Now I'm just thought I'd do this video. Just currently doing my oil right now. Brand new oil filter. Okay, so I was really making this video because I was having this issue with my ignition. The bike would start fine, but as soon as I turned, I'll show you. So the bike's on like that. I'm doing my oil, so I'm not going to turn it on. So the bike's on. Okay, say I turned the bike on and turned it on. Do. The bike ran fine. As soon as I click this over to lights, which my lights are now on, my bike would shut off totally. Like it was acting like it was a kill switch. So I replaced. I can't see it. The electrical. I can't remember. Anyways, this thing right there. I replaced that. Still did the same thing. Okay. Replaced my battery. Still did the same thing. It was the ignition switch. The actual switch